Hey, how you doing? Scotty Bear back with another video, and this video is about way far back in my history. I learned to tint cars to make more money. I was basically a kid, or maybe, man, I don't even remember how old I was, but I had bought in a car and I wanted to get the windows tinted. And basically I went in someplace, guy quoted me a couple $100 and I was like, okay, sounds fair, let's do it. And basically he took the car, went around, and I think he was smoking a joint out back, went in, tinned my windows, and 1 hour later came out and I paid him $200. And I thought to myself, maybe I need to become a window tinner. So I started reading about and stuff like that. It didn't seem too hard. I mean, how hard can it be? Um, so I started reading about it. I bought the tools. I bought some window film. Um, YouTube wasn't as popular. I wouldn't say it was non-existent, but it wasn't as popular. So there wasn't a lot of tutorial stuff like there is now. That would have been additional help. But I bought some videos, some instructional videos. Like I said, I bought the tools, and location is gonna have a lot to do with what happens. But I literally went from no knowledge at all to a paying job. Um, what I did is, like, again, recap here a little bit. I bought the tools. I bought some window film. I bought the videos. I watched it, and I started getting some decent basic knowledge. Okay, so then I considered going to the window tinting school. I called a few places and talked to the people there, and it seemed okay. It seemed a little pricey. That's definitely the truth. But it was just a little pricey. I mean, I don't remember what all the prices were, but when I was looking to become a window tinner. I don't know how much money I had, but I was definitely doing it with the motivation of making some more money. As you probably know, or if you don't know and you're watching this video, a decent window tinner that can do a clean job, meaning that the looks very professional and without debris, can get some decent money and get a job quite easy. So, um, the big deal is, one, that you're reasonably fast and efficient, two, that you're reliable, and three, that you could tint vehicles. Now, the missing information that you're probably looking for is um, experience. There are a ton of windows out there. Some of them are very tricky and very difficult. Some of the defrosters and things like that obviously are, yeah, something you've never seen before. Two, just the different vehicles in general really make it kind of uh, a timing thing. You see them, maybe you screw up a few pieces or whatever, or maybe you need help or whatnot, and then you start to graduate and be able to do more vehicles, and then also on top of that, become efficient enough to do a good amount of vehicles to support yourself. Now, how this worked out for me was this is I basically walked in and just started talking to people and was like, I'm willing to work for free and till I learn, and then basically go on from there. And the guy was like, work for free. And that's basically what happened is I worked for free, and it took about 3 weeks actually. I think the guy gave me some money. It was about 3 weeks. The guy gave me some money. This kid was showing me. Maybe the main reason why I'm not a window tinner today is I'm 6'4". Climbing in and out of the back seat of vehicles with window film in my hands was not great, and the small areas back in the cars, and actually cars now being even a little bit smaller is even more difficult. uh, you know, it, the vehicle has a lot to do with it, but I would say there are a small percentage of vehicles that really make this hard. Obviously, there's a good volume of trucks and RVs and so on and so forth. So, it wasn't every vehicle, but that is probably the biggest reason is crawling in and out of vehicles with window film and just being, kind of you know, being that wiry little kid, so to speak, and being able to do that is a big plus. So that being said, yes, I actually went on to become a window tinter. I don't know how good I was. I was relatively decent with most of the vehicles out there, and I actually was making fairly decent money when I moved on from it. The big deal in the industry maybe is reliability and seasonal. Even in most places, when the summer months, you can find work quite easily. Actually, if people know you tint windows, a good portion of your buddies and people will also want their windows tint. And the other thing is in most cases, it is easy to make money doing it. I felt like this is something I could do. I actually considered even just buying a bay and offering the advertisement and just doing it myself. Anyway, I wanted to share that story with you. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give a like or please subscribe. I do appreciate it. Thank you much for watching.